Hey guys, this is Teresa and today I'm going to perform a solo chiikni challenge. So this is the chiikni and I'm going to sneeze it again just for you. Today I don't have my sister with me, so it's just me alone doing this challenge for you. Let's wait. Oh, oh God. Uh, it's very tiring. I hope you're enjoying. Are you? Oh, tears rolling down my eyes. I think I'm done. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me doing more of challenges. Thank you. Love you. Bye.